Hi, this is Jacob from GLFR, and I am happy to invite you into the new communities of the GLFR app. In this video, I will show you how you as a player engage, comment, and share content inside the communities in GLFR. But first of all, what are these communities? Communities are a new way for golf clubs to add groups inside of the club app, of the GLFR app. For you as a player, this means that you'll be able to find different groups inside of the app where you can engage, comment, and share content with other members and with your club. Some good examples of this could be, for example, the men's club, the ladies section, juniors, volunteers, whatever the club has set up, you can join inside of the app. If something's missing inside of the GLFR app, contact your local club and ask them to create a new community for you and all of your members inside of the club. All of this is handled directly on a club-to-club basis. And now a short demo of how it works. Let's jump into my app right here. So this is what GLFR looks like. There are a few different ways to join a community. You can join them by yourself, or you can be invited directly by your local club. If you've been invited, you will already see a community icon in the bottom down here. And by being invited, the club has imported you directly into the community and everything should be up and running for you. If you don't have the community icon down there, but you want to join a community from your club, the first thing you do is click on the Go to Club button in the middle of the page here. This is the club page inside of GLFR where you find all of the available communities on your local club. In this case, the demo club. If you want to join what we call a public community, you simply click the join button in here. So for example, I could join the sponsors by clicking here. You'll get a little description of the community and then you can click join community. Simple as that. Now you are a member. Let's jump back. There are also some communities that will be private at your club. For example, in this case, the men's section. If you click join here, you will be asked to add a pin code. This pin code ensures that only the actual members of the men's section can join. You get the pin code from the community manager or directly from the club. And enter it here, and then you'll join the community. And as I said, you can join all of these communities. There will even be communities on other clubs that you might want to join if you want to follow the shop at a different club or the trainer or whatever it is. Let's join a few more. I will join the volunteers community right here. Just like that, it goes into my feed. And let's join Find a Golfer as well. Just like that. So simple. In this case, I'll click Go to Community Feed. This goes to the same page as the community button on the front page. Let's jump right in. So in here, I have all of my current communities. You see that I'm a member at Volunteers, Find a Golfer, the shop at my local Danish club, and some other test communities. On this page, you can see all of the posts that have been added to the community. As you see, I posted a few weeks ago that I wanted to go play golf in the weekend, and there was a spring course prep. And I can go in and look at these posts. And this is, for example, to check what happened and what was the plan and stuff like that. Let's jump back for a second here. If a new post is added to a community and you as a member will get a push notification. Let's try that out. Push notifications aren't shown when you are already inside the app. So I'll close down my app, go back here and make a push notification to the volunteers community. So this is when a club posts something new to the community. As you maybe saw, a small icon showed up here and I got a push notification from the volunteers community. So I can go in here, it opens directly into this post and I can see that the club is actually organizing a spring cleanup and I can make a comment to say that I will join. I will join this, looking forward to it, or something like that. You can add any comment. You can even add a picture if you want as the comment. Let's post that. And I have joined this event now directly through the app. So that's a pretty simple way to do it. Let's jump back here. As you see on this page, one of our communities has a new post button. The other one, the volunteers, doesn't have that. This means that the manager of the volunteers group has set it up so only he can post and the club can post into this community. So this is a club-driven community. On the Find a Golfer community, on the other hand, there is a new post button. And this is a way to show you that you can actually create content in here to engage with the other members. So this is an open community. Let's do that on the Find a Golfer community because I want to go to play golf in the weekend. And I'll just click new post right here. It goes into posting mode. I'll say golf on Saturday, something like that. I have made a little text beforehand just to make it a little faster. Again, it's a really good idea to add a picture to make it a little more personal. Let's just do like this. And that's a perfect picture of me. Great. And I will post it. And now, as you see, it shows up directly here in the Find a Golfer feed, just like it did when I did a demo a few weeks ago. And now others from the community can join the conversation and actually reply that they want to join me on Saturday. When you're viewing this video, all of the members of this community will even get a push notification. So you can set that up as a member if you want push notifications when another member posts or not. But as a default, you will actually get this push notification to say that Jacob posted that he wanted to go play golf. So this is a really good way to reach the other members of the community, whether it's a Find a Golfer as this one or men's section or whatever it is. Let's jump into the post that I made and check it out here. And Catherine already replied. She's ready at 1 o'clock. That's absolutely perfect for me. So I'll just write it here. Perfect. I'll book it and see you Saturday. Just like that. And maybe a little emoji. And just like that, we have a thread in here. I can get push notification when Catherine replies. She gets it when I reply, and all let you know like that. So this was a quick run through of communities. The important thing here is that this is a way for you to communicate with your club, to get information from your club that is tailored to you as a member of a specific community. And most importantly, it's a great way to communicate with the other members of the community. Just remember to maintain a good tone and enjoy everything inside the communities. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@golfer.com. We are ready to help. Thank you so much for watching the video.